Hello everyone, welcome back extend video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use May AI on Snapchat. Let's start video without wasting time. First of all, open your Snapchat and type on profile icon. From here you tap on Snapchat Plus, tap on this, and from here what you need to do is tap on subscribe button. After that you are enable new feature May AI. The subscribe button is not available, but you need to do is change country or region and select USA. After that, check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is not fixed, then tap on three lines and tap on content supports. Tap on this and scroll down and tap on cross icon and tap on first link and tap on submit. After that, scroll down and tap on content us. Tap on this. From here, you tap on I need help with the Snapchat features. Tap on this. Scroll down and tap on Snapchat Plus. Scroll down and tap on manage my Snapchat Plus and subscription. Tap on this and tap on different issues about my subscription. Tap on this and from here put this form username and active Gmail, and from here description enter your issue and tap on submit. After submit, 24 hours Snapchat in contact your Gmail or phone number, and after that I hope your problem will be fixed. If the video is helpful, then like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.